Alright, what's going on, guys? Kind of apologize how I'm dressed. It's been one of those weekends. Lots of family going on. But this is MJ here with Rekkr RC. We got one of the brand new Enduro Element Enduro Senderos. Item blocks, you know, everything's packaged. We had some shenanigans with the USPS. We're going to see where this goes. Alright, we are literally going to go here, and we are at my buddy's place, my buddy Jerry. And Buy a Break and Fix It does some filming here too. Shout out to you, Ben. And we're gonna go over there. We are gonna go from box to rocks, his little course, and we are gonna see how this thing does. You know, just going for it. We're gonna send it. I have no idea how it's gonna crawl. It's gonna be it's gonna be interesting. Overall, though, just kind of as I'm doing this, a little recap on the weekend. I gotta give a quick shout out to the guys over at White Rose Hobbies. They put on a heck of a scale trial comp. It's a little different than Sorka rules, or G6. It's like kind of half G6 with a touch of Sorka. Dude, he threw in my hat, my man. All right, so I got this from RC addict Ryan Cormesser. His well, I have one of his 5.5 inch bodies for in the truck, and I'll tell you what, man. I lost a head. I ran 2 comps without a head. It's pretty funny. Because in class 3, it lost a head. And, well, got a head. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. It happens to be you, but that's alright. Ain't nothing uglier. We're good to go. Alright, like I said, this is box brand new. We're going box to rocks. Come on, baby girl. Tell you what, whatever box you used, ridiculous. Good, thank you. Not sucking at packing, RC addict. Alright, boom. Boom. Don't feel like getting stabbed, no stabby stabby. Hey, there we go. Pop this up on the truck. Here's box. Now, like I'm sure you guys have seen this box, I'm not going to destroy it, and that's rare. Because you take this, it is a scale garage, which is really cool. It's a nice little feature, and I'd love to see a lot of the other factories doing this. Just kind of, it's like a nice little ending touch. So we will go, and I'm going to pull it off from this side. We are going to hope everything is good. All right. So, boom, boom. Actually, you can kind of see it. Ooh, I see the scale garage, which is really a nice little touch. I know I said, there she is, there she is. I did get the RTR. So there's a few little upgrades I'm going to have to get in the future. That's just part of life. You accept this? And a little shot of the box on the inside. That's pretty cool. I definitely I look forward to keeping this box. See how rare it is for me to say that. I'm usually one of the first people to throw boxes away. Alright, so, taking this out. Alright.
That's so his wife can't find them.
Yeah, it's life. Alright, so, we have a couple of good old zip ties down here. So I'm going to go into our trusty toolkit. Little overkill, but you know what? It'll do the job. Boom. 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 Alright, cool. Alright, so before I get this out, let's see what they give us. They give us a battery kit. You got some mounts for other bodies. They also have one of the overdrive kits. Overdrive piece and a couple screws and a second servo horn. Tell me it's plastic. But that's alright. We're going to see. Now, let's get her out. Now this box, I'm not worried about. So this has no bearing on the other stuff. Alright, so obviously it's pretty well in there. Apparently the one piece did not cut. So we're going to ensure that it is cut correctly. Alright. Should be able to lift her out. Wow, she's light. You can feel it's slightly front heavy, and that battery will happen to tip the scales forward. The tires are pretty sticky right off the bat. They do have the methods. I'm just kind of going around checking, see how they feel. So we'll go from there. All right, and here on the other side, I'm gonna just kind of toss this in the truck here. I'm sure we can use this as kindling firewood. We got a nice little sticker pack. Got the book, which right off the bat, the book itself, it looks pretty well thought out. I'll take a look at that here in a hot second. Let's see how ready to run it is. No batteries. No batteries. That's okay. You know why? We grab batteries. Always got to grab batteries. Got some scale stuff I'm going to put on there. Quick shout out to my boy over at Darkside 3D Printing. I look forward to putting some of his gear inside these beds. And you know, my other sponsor in the works is going to be going to be getting this truck specifically, and we're going to throw down and get some links for it. And he'll be able to sell them out to you guys as well. Hey Chloe, how you doing, poppers? My buddy's big girl right here. She's a good girl. All right, so boom, this is in. I have no idea if this thing's going to even turn on. So the clips are a little small, in my humble opinion, but that's okay, because my humble opinion obviously doesn't matter, because Element is selling a ton of these. You got lights on the front. See where it gets plugged in at. This is a Dean's plug. Okay, they definitely, it looks like they have a front and a rear light set up, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna look here, on here, see if this is, all right, this is your standard Reedy. It has, this is a 400X. It has the LiPo setting, and I think the 3S setting as well. Let me see if I can get a good view. Oh, drag brake setting, sorry. Battery, LiPo, it's already preset on LiPo, and it's set on 50%, so we're going to take this out, and I'm gonna grab a quick, I know we have a, no we don't have it, that's okay. Yes we do. Pliers, I'm gonna pull out the jumper, set it for 100% drag brake, because you know you gotta send it that way. Only one way to go. And this is a little tight. I know it's getting a little dark, but that adds a little extra flavor to this whole thing. Alright, so now I had a battery here. Where'd that battery go? No, that's my head. I had a battery. Oh, there it is. Here's my other sponsor, and Waffy. Jack, I told you I used your batteries, and well, we use them. They've not proven me wrong yet. Alright, so this explains why we have another battery case, because this is definitely bigger than what this is supposed to be. But you know, in the sake of sending it, the sake of time, and the sake of America, we're gonna make it fit. It might not be pretty, but it's gonna work. But this is a nice little battery tray for one of the like a mini battery, like a 1500 or something, or maybe a 2200 that's a little smaller. We're just gonna send this because America and everything else. I am gonna, yeah, I'll be all right. Put that on here. Like I said, we're going box stock to the rocks. Boom, ready to go. Oh, it's one of the DX5Cs. I turn this thing on. That's 3-channel. Okay, so we see where the winch third channel is going to be. It's right up here in the front. Throttle steering, throttle max steering. Where's the on off? Here's the on off. On off switch is here in the back. Let's see how this does. My buddy Jerry just got himself a new toy too. So, got it. Boop, 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 boop. Throttle on. Throttle back. By the way, we run 3S only. Well, apparently, we got some beepage going on. It always makes for a very entertaining life. Alright, I'm going to also, I'm going to put those in my hand. Since there's a little bit of, it looks like there needs to be some light left, a little bit of light left, we are going to plug in the lights just for a cool factor. So here, looks like there, and I do appreciate that they're using, there they are, lights work. Awesome. So we are going, okay, good fit guys. That body fit right on. I've done, I'm not going to do a thing to it until after we get to see box stock. You know, I might even only go just the bare minimum upgrades just to keep everything, you know, a little more durable. I think I might just want to keep this thing light. Why not? Since I don't need these anymore. It's plenty dark. Check. Boom, boom.